Welcome to LiveLeanTV. I'm Brad Guthrow from LiveLeanTV.com. So guys, on today's episode, I'm sharing a delicious, superpowered protein yogurt recipe for weight loss that will keep you feeling full so you eat less calories throughout the day. So a few days ago, I did a video on is yogurt good for weight loss? Now, if you missed that video, you can click right here to go watch it. Also, let's be real, you probably missed this video because you're either not subscribed to our channel yet or you haven't tapped the bell to turn on post notifications. So go do that now. All right, in that video, I compared 5 different yogurt options, including strawberry dairy yogurt, plain, no-fat Greek yogurt, vanilla almond yogurt, plain almond yogurt, and unsweetened coconut yogurt, and pure unsweetened living coconut yogurt. So each of these yogurts fell somewhere on the health spectrum of unhealthy to healthy. However, I wouldn't consider any of them as a great snack option for weight loss. They either contained unhealthy ingredients or were missing key macronutrients or just tasted bad on their own. Plus, let's be real guys, who really gets full off of eating 100-calorie yogurt? So I classify foods that are good for weight loss as those high in protein, contain healthy fat, are a good source of fiber, no added sugar, and are made with whole food ingredients. So today I want to show you how to turn your boring yogurt into a delicious, superpowered protein snack that is great for weight loss. So give this protein yogurt recipe for weight loss a try. Here are the ingredients for 1 serving. Add 1 cup of unsweetened coconut yogurt to a bigger bowl. Add 1 scoop of vanilla whey isolate protein powder. Now I'm using a vanilla whey protein isolate powder from Earth Nutri. It's sweetened with a delicious tasting, all natural plant-based sweetener called stevia and contains no nasty chemicals. I'll put a discount link and coupon code in the video description below. So make sure you stir it up well with a fork or whisk until it's completely creamy. And top with 3 sliced fresh strawberries. Next, add a tablespoon of ground flax seeds on top, add 1 tablespoon of sliced almonds, take a bite and yell, "Damn, that's good!" Nutrition information per serving: calories, 344, protein, 30 grams, carbohydrates, 20 grams with 6 grams of fiber, and fat, 16 grams. And yes, I know, 344 calories for yogurt may seem high, especially for weight loss, but remember guys, weight loss is not just about eating as little calories as possible. Sustainable weight loss is what's really important, and this is accomplished by eating in a calorie deficit while making the most of the calories that you do have to eat. And you do this by eating foods high in protein, foods high in healthy fat, and fiber, as this is what helps keep you feeling full longer, therefore you eat less calories throughout the day. Again, the key to dieting is making the most of the calories you have, not just focusing on eating low-calorie foods. So if you're ready to turn your weight loss journey into a sustainable lifestyle, you need to go join our team at teamlivelean.com. You'll get access to over 200 cooking video recipes like this, weekly meal plans, and grocery lists, as well as a new 4-week workout program every month. Plus, you get the accountability to stay focused on your goals, and you're going through this journey with hundreds of other Live Leaners. So go join our team. I'll put a clickable link in the video description below. Thanks for watching guys, and keep living lean.